Hello and welcome to Pop Percent, an activity from the Science Fairy Projects in an interactive ebook called Interactive Preview. This video is going to go over how to make a bag of popcorn from all natural kernels. And that starts with kernels from the grocery store. Having the fill up a half cup of a half cup. This means 1/4 of a cup. Like that. Now you're going to use a scale, and right now the scale is set to grams. If not, you need to change the mode. And I'm going to weigh my weight bowl. It's 46 grams, but I want to delete that weight from my total weight, so I'm going to go ahead and zero it or tear it. Now this goes in here. The kids can do all the pouring. We're going to remember that number 43 grams. That's going to be part of the bottom of the fraction of the pop percent. So let's go ahead and have the kids pour it into the bag. Now you're going to want to shuffle this down so that all the kernels are in this bottom section below the fold of the bag, and that's going to help it. Now to keep the kernels from popping off the top, I'm going to fold it over twice. Use some tape. You want to get it a nice width across the seam. And now the fun part, popping. You want to put this so that when it goes up like this, it's still going to spin, so kind of near the edge like that. And see if you can see better that way. Now go ahead and set the microwave for 1 minute and 40 seconds. That's usually the magical number before we burn it. And now we wait. So you're going to want to run this experiment twice if you have 8 learners, just because that way there's enough popcorn servings for everyone. And as you continue to wait, you can check your scale out. It's going to start popping here soon. Usually around 1 minute is the magical time. And there it is. So if you can, have the kids look at a stool wherever your microwave is in your classroom, in your building. And here it goes. It's popping away. Start to ask the kids, do you smell popcorn? What are the kernels like? Are they hard? Why are they popping? Why is the water in them expanding to cause them to pop all that starch? Is popcorn healthy for you? Is it good in moderation? What do you want to put on your popcorn? Do you want to put salt on your popcorn? Do you want to put butter, melted butter, with a little bit of olive oil, maybe some vegetable oil? One thing I have done, if you're using this at home to pop your own popcorn, is get one of those little Mio containers. Once it's used, rinse it out really good, and then pop off the top and put some vegetable and olive oil in there. That stays fairly mixed, and you'll go ahead and when you are done with this, you just squeeze a little into the top, shake it around a little bit, and you have nicely oiled, nicely salted if you'd like, popcorn, and it doesn't have all that like grimy, icky, cheesy, buttery stuff going on. Number 3, help the kids count down. 1. You're going to want to open it quick because it's kind of cool and the kids can see it outside them or inside the microwave popping. Give a little cautious tug. So now we're going to figure out, this is hot, this is steam, so you're going to want to be careful with this tape. I'm going to go ahead and open it up like you would any bag of popcorn. And as you can see, we have some beautifully popped popcorn. The smell is amazing. This is definitely a sensory activity. And then you're going to have the kids pull off the top popcorn as it cools. I'm going to do that a little quickly. So I'm going to pull it off into a bowl to divide out to your serving bowls. And you're trying not to let the kernels in the bottom go into the bowl of popped popcorn, because this is the percent that did pop, so we're going to count the percent that did not pop. Alright, I need a second bowl here. Careful, this bottom is hot. Ooh, we did not have many unpopped kernels. This is a good round. It's surprising because this popcorn has been in cold storage. So I'm going to go divvy the popcorn up, and now how good it makes. So our magical number 46. Oops, I need a tear. I'll assume the bowls are the same weight, so it is teared. I'm going to go ahead and put that on here. Accidentally turned it off. And that's going to be 52 grams. You didn't get that teared. There we go. Turn it off instead. Now let's weigh them. 6 grams. That's much better. So 6 divided by 42 in the comments. We'll have that number.